Good day, everyone. Learn how to import playlist from Spotify or any other app to YouTube Music. It is very easy, and you can import all of your playlists. So I'll open the YouTube Music app, and at the top right corner where you have the profile icon, click on that and then go to settings. In iPhone, you will find at the bottom. So once you're here in the settings, you will have a lot of options, and we need to go to privacy and data. And here we have many options, and if you scroll down, you will find at the very last, transfer playlist from other apps, move your favorites from other music service. Now select whatever you want to, like Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Music. You can select it. Let's say I'll click on Spotify, and then I'll click on Let's Start. And here I just have to log in, and then I'll be able to import all of my playlist to YouTube Music. And if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.